I've got some famous friends that you probably never heard of. Go back in Rutherford County, our crowd is second to none. You might not know them here in this big city we're in, but when I go back home, I've got some famous friends. Yeah, I do. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song was requested, and you guys gave me a lot of good requests in the last video, so I really appreciate it. Let me know stuff you like. If you guys have other songs you want me to teach you and stuff, let me know. I'll do it as soon as I can. So this is Famous Friends by Kane Brown. Well, Young Kane Brown, I think that's how it says it. I don't know. By both those guys. I don't know who was like the original, but anyway, so who's the main guy on it or anything. But anyway, so this song's super easy to play. Please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with the songs that you're asking for. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions, okay? So standard tuning, then you put a capo on the 4th fret. So I'm going to show you guys how to play the chords for it, and then I'm going to show you where, like, the strumming pattern, and then where you play the chords with the lyrics and stuff, okay? The song is pretty dang easy though, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to start with B minor, okay? Everything I say fret-wise is in relation to the capo, okay? So B minor, okay? You're going to put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, starting on the A string. Now you will touch, see how I'm just touching the big E string? I'm not putting my finger on it, I'm touching it. That mutes it so that you can't hear it, okay? Otherwise it's going to sound louder, like deeper, okay? And it's not right. So pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. You're supposed to bar it all the way across. If you can't, just try it, all right? Just give it a shot, because that'll at least mute the other strings. Okay? So pointer finger, 2nd fret, A string, then you're going to put your ring finger, goes on the 4th fret, all right? On the D string, pinky goes on the 4th fret next to it on the G string, and your middle finger, okay? Your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret, all right, on the B string. Okay, and then you're gonna go up and do A. A is very easy, okay? So you can actually bar it too if you want, but I'm just gonna so you just put your middle finger, so this is how I do it. Middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. All right, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pinky, all right, goes on the, I'm trying to move that so you can see, goes on the 2nd fret on the B string. Okay, then you're also going to do G. You can use this G, or you can do this G, whatever's easier, okay? So I think because you go to D right after, you should probably use this G. So what you can do, pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, all right, middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, so, and then what you're gonna do lastly is you're gonna go from that G to D. So what you do is you keep your ring finger on there, see, like that? Keep your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're gonna put your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Sorry, I think I said B with that one, but that's actually a little E, sorry. So ring finger B, middle finger goes on the little E, and then your pointer finger goes on the G on the 2nd fret, okay? And I mute the top string with my thumb. So you do Alright, now if you have a hard time doing that, just play it slow. You can just try with single strums. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do B minor, A, G, D. All right, so you do that twice with no lyrics. You're doing down, down, up, down, up, down. So you just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. See that quicker transition? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm just doing a big, like, harder one, and then a little bit of a break. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so we do that. You'd like a harder one at the beginning of the chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, up, but you're starting it with a hard hit. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's almost all of it. All right, so you're gonna do that. That's how you play the intro and the chorus. Now how you play the lyrics, sorry, the verses, is you're still gonna do that same chord progression, but you're gonna do you're gonna be palm muting, okay? So I'm just doing, my buddy Brandon holds the record. Okay, so you do B minor right before my buddy, because you're gonna switch faster. So you're still switching quickly, like in the same parts you did as before, but you're just doing the palm muting. So palm muting is putting this part of your hand as close as you can to the white part, not on the white part, but as close as you can, and then you're gonna hit the bass notes. My buddy Brandon, my buddy Brandon. Buddy, at the end of buddy, you're gonna do A. Buddy Brandon, Brandon holds the record. So on record, you do G, record. Then you do D after, record. 4, then you go to B minor. For a single, so single season is where you're gonna go to A. Single season touch, for single season touchdown, okay, touchdown throws. Okay, touchdown throws is going to be G. Touchdown throws, and then on the end of throws you do D. Throws. Okay, then you do B minor, and good old Johnny. Okay, B minor and good old Johnny. Johnny is A. Johnny, he's the life. Life is G. Life of every party. Okay, at the end of every, like in the beginning of party, you're going to do D. Party. Okay, party. It's like cheers. Cheers is B minor. Cheers to know him. Okay. Okay. Cheers. So in the know him is where you can do A. To know him everywhere. The end of everywhere you're gonna do G. Where he goes. Okay. Goes is D. All right. Then when you go to the chorus, so you're just doing that part. Okay, so you can see that. So you're just palm muting it. And then what you're gonna do is when you get to the chorus, you're gonna stop and you'll just do, I've got some famous. Famous is where you start strumming, okay? Famous friends. See, so you go quickly to A. Famous friends. Friends is A. Friends you probably never is G. Never heard of is D. But back in Rutherford County. So Rutherford is B minor. Rutherford County. Alright, county is A. County, our crowd is second. Okay, second is G. Second to none. None is D. None. You might not know. Okay, no is B minor. Know them here. Okay, here is A. Here. In this big city. City is G. City we're in. In is D. In. But when I go is B minor. Go back home. Home is A. Home. I've got some famous is G, famous friends. Yeah, I do. And then you're gonna play it. So after yeah, I do, you just repeat it. So the way, now you can watch my hands here now that you know how to play it, but you're gonna do, I've got some famous friends that you probably never heard of, but back in Rutherford County, our crowd is second to none. You might not know them here in this big city we're in, but when I go back home, I've got some famous friends. Yeah, I do. So you play it. You're gonna play it twice with no lyrics, just like the intro part, okay? Just like I did. And after the second time, you're gonna go back into the verse. My buddy Jason, he's the sheriff. Okay, so you do my buddy Jason. My buddy Jason. Okay, Jason, he's the sheriff. So sheriff is where you play G, and D you're kind of just doing after. Okay. My buddy Jason, he's the sheriff. Like that, okay? Then when you get to the part after, like the bridge, you're gonna play the same chords, but you're just gonna do single strums. I've got friends. Let's see. I've got friends in high places, only small town roads. Okay, so you're just gonna do single strum. Alright, that's how you're gonna do. And then when you get to that last chorus, you're gonna do it fast again. Okay, that's how you're gonna play it. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and see you next time. Later.